Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BB Naija Pepper Dem reunion show. Toyo blast Tasha calls her the most insecure person in BB Naija history. The air clearing edition part B aired of the BB Naija Pepper Dem reunion show, and it was intense as usual. The episode were an avenue provided by Biggie for the housemates who had issues with one another or who was misconstrued come clean about themselves. So Ebuka threw it open for any such housemate to kindly speak up. Diane removed her mask and decided to reopen the episode of her long-dead relationship with Elozuna. So she accused Elo of pushing all the blames on her why their relationship didn't work out, and also accepting any of the blame. She was referring to the issue of Elo naming her relationship with the Nollywood actor Mawuli. In the usual Diane not talking straight manner, she accused Elozuna of leaking many of the private information she shared with him to the public. Elozuna, in his bid to quickly move past the talk, he looked bored even listening to explain that he never shared any information that was not already public. He claimed he had no issue with Diane other than she dating Mawuli and publicly humiliating him in the party. He, however, tendered an apology for all she might have done wrong, or for all he might have done wrong to her while they were together. Tasha was next to speak up about her unresolved issues with Toyo. Tasha claimed Toyo spoke about her going into the house with voodoo in all his interviews. Toyo came up to explain the truth behind what Tasha felt she heard, and said he only speculated in an interview that Tasha's confidence could be spiritual or financial because she had Jaruma as a backup. In his words, I said because Jaruma had money and jazz, so I believe her confidence or arrogance could have come from there. Tasha breaks in and told Toyo he was contradicting himself, saying she was confident or arrogant because the words have a different meaning. Toyo affirmed that indeed Tasha was arrogant in the house, and Tasha fired back at Toyo that his insecurity was playing games with him. Toyo did not even wait for Tasha to finish before he retaliated with a bomb and told Tasha that she is rather the most insecure one in the history of Big Brother Naija house, because she's always fighting with people to prove herself, defending herself when there's really no need to shout and rain insult at people, even when there was no need to. At this point, Tasha, rather than firing back, mellowed and calmly began the story of her life. She narrated how she was raised by her mother, who raised her as a strong, independent young woman, and this was because while in secondary school nobody wanted to be her friend. They just wouldn't allow her in their group. So she cried home to her Ghanaian mom, and she educated her on how to be alone. So when in the university, it was an easy sale for her to be alone. Sadly, her mom passed not long after then. She later apologized to all the housemates because she came out rubbing off and being too confrontational while in the house. Despite Tasha's heartfelt apology, Toyo wasn't really buying it. He spoke up and said everyone has their stories, what they have also been through. However, they don't let that shape them. Toyo proceeded to say even though Tasha has a good side, but her bad side definitely outshine her good side, and he feels she should work more on that, because according to him, not everyone would come to listen to her story, but the energy she pushes out, there is what people would see. Okay guys, what do you think about this Tasha story? And Toyo claims that Tasha is the most insecure person in the BB Naija house. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is the first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.